EIP-2000 series, Ethernet IP data acquisition from ICP USA. Ethernet IP is a name given to the common industrial protocol as implemented over standard Ethernet. This was introduced in 2001 and today is the most developed, proven, and complete industrial Ethernet network solution available for manufacturing automation, with rapid growth as users seek to harness the advantages of open technologies and the Internet. The EIP-2000 is an industrial remote I/O module series supporting the Ethernet IP protocol. Users can seamlessly integrate these modules into the Ethernet network from the industrial floor to the enterprise. This series allows daisy chain connection, which permits the flexibility in locating devices, eases installation, and lowers infrastructure costs. All the modules can be deployed in a network topology such as star, line, or ring. The isolation design protects the EIP-2000 against harmful interference. Ethernet IP is one of the open network standards like DeviceNet and ControlNet. It is an industrial application layer protocol for industrial automation applications. It uses all the protocols of traditional Ethernet, including the Transport Control Protocol, the Internet Protocol, and the media access and signaling technologies. Building on standard Ethernet technologies means that Ethernet IP will work transparently with all the standard Ethernet devices found today. This standard organizes network devices as a collection of objects. It defines the access, behavior, and extensions, which allows vastly different devices to be accessed using the common protocol. Applications for this series are automatic transfer lines, paint shops, and assembly lines, food processing and packaging, sectional conveyors, discrete part machines, and applications requiring fast response times. And some of the features include offering producer-consumer service that enable users to control, configure, and collect data, using Xlink IEE standards for Ethernet physical layer and data link layer, providing flexible installation options leveraging commercially available industrial infrastructure products, including copper, fiber ring, and wireless solutions, providing robust physical layer options for industrial environments, and includes the use of sealed RJ45 and M12-4 decoding connector, compatible with general communication standards, use TCP port number 44818 and UDP port number 2222, transfer basic I/O data, uploading and downloading of parameters, programs, and receipts via TCP, hold change of state monitoring via UDP, one-to-one unicast, one-to-many multicast, and one-to-all broadcast communication via TCP. To learn more about our EIP-2000 series, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.